everyone, welcome back to EduWorld. In this video, I will tell you about how you can write your earthquake report. I will give you some points and ideas. So let's get started without wasting any time. Point number 1. How to start an earthquake report. While giving your exam, you must be thinking how to start my report. So let's look at some points of how you can start your report. Point number 1. The worst earthquake of the century, measuring 5.7 on the Richter scale, rocked the entire state of Gujarat. You can start like this, or you can say an earthquake rocked the entire state of Gujarat on 25th September. Our point number 3, a powerful magnitude 6.6 earthquake jolted the entire state of Delhi on 26 January, and you can begin your report. Do remember to mention Richter scale. Now let's look at point number 2, areas affected. You can write some points like tremors felt in Rajasthan and Delhi extended to West Bengal, Karnataka, etc. Point number 2 which you can add is neighboring countries also experienced minor tremors, and you can mention the name of the neighboring countries also. Point number 3 which you can add is epicenter of the earthquake was 200 km from the capital of the state, like for example Ahmedabad, the capital of the state. It is really important for you to write the epicenter in your earthquake report. Let's look at point number 3, damage to life and property. Points which you can add are number 1, buildings were demolished and paved roads collapsed with major casualties. Number 2, multi-storied high-rise buildings came down like pack of cards. Number 3, crores of property was destroyed. Number 4, death toll seemed to be more than 20,000. You should use words which are highlighted. It will give a great impact on your report. Let's look at point number 4, rescue work. Points which you can add are number 1, rescue work has been taken on a war footing with huge bulldozers and cranes being deployed. Number 2, relief camps have been set up in every area. Point 3, fear of aftershocks. That is, you can write residents were not advised to go back to their houses as there is fear of aftershock. Point number 4 which you can add is the army has been requisitioned to help the civil administration for immediate relief. Point number 5 you can add is hundreds of people were extricated from debris while thousands still feared buried. As I have told you, you can use these highlighted words to lay impact on your report. Let's see point number 5, national and international reaction. Points which you can add are number 1, Chief Minister appealed to the people of the state, national and international organizations like Red Cross and WHO to extend humanitarian aid to affected people in the hour of grief. Point number 2 which you can add is Chief Minister took an aerial survey of the ravaged state and said, and you can continue. Point number 3 is the government of USA and UK dispatched their rescue teams with relief material, form of food, clothes, materials, etc. See our point number 6, that is fear of epidemic. Points which you can add are number 1, fearing an outbreak of epidemic because of decomposition of bodies lying buried in the debris. The government, and you can continue. Point number 2, the government directed to ensure immediate disposal of bodies by cremation or burial. Point number 3 which you can add is the affected areas are being sprayed with disinfectants to control the outbreak of an epidemic. number 7, fundraising effort. Points which you can include are: Prime Minister expressed his deep shock over the tragedy and decided to give ex gratia payment of rupees 50,000, 1 lakh, anything which you want to write. Next point, Prime Minister appealed to philanthropic organizations and people to contribute generously, and then you can continue writing. Thirdly, you can include is reaction of large organizations that they provided their relief materials like food, clothes, shelter, etc. And you can include that the organizations adopted some villages for reconstruction and rehabilitation. Let's see point number 8, which is the title of the report. You can write earthquake rocks Bhuj, earthquake jolts Delhi, earthquake hits Gujarat, Nepal earthquake : death toll above 3,000, devastating earthquake in Delhi. So these type of titles you can use in your report. Hope you understood these 8 points. Do hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Do include some more innovative points on your own to make your report seem like a professional. Thank you for watching this video. God bless.